Welcome back to my channel, West Coast Finest, bringing you valuable and quality content with every single video. Thanks for tuning in. Peace and blessings, fam. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, I am servicing Northern California, and here is what I love to do. And today I'm going to be bringing you a beautiful crochet hairstyle. So yes, let's get into it. This is my client, and as you can see, she has some very thin edges. Actually, her edges has been growing out, and we have been using our G&G hair growth butter. And yes, here it is. This is the beautiful crochet style that I was referring to. So yes, it is burgundy in color. It is 10 inches long, and this style is absolutely gorgeous. So if you are interested in how I achieve this style, continue to keep watching. Yes, I'm going to be starting off, of course, massaging her hair and her scalp with our G&G hair growth butter. Yes, look how this butter is just melting into her scalp. It is hydrating her hair, giving her hair the nutrients and the vitamins that it needs to promote hair growth. Yes, I am putting a generous amount of hair growth butter into her scalp, and I am massaging. Yes, I am massaging this hair growth butter in, and I am loving on her hair. Yes, ladies, that's what we need to do. We need to start loving on our hair. And of course, I am incorporating my brushing process. Yes, ladies, we have gotten away from brushing our hair, and we need to get back to it. Yes, brushing stimulates the hair follicles and helps promote hair growth. It massages the hair and the scalp as well. So I'm first going to start by doing a healthy braid pattern. Yes, this is going to be the healthiest braid pattern for her hair, considering that her edges are very thin and fine. And because of this style, I want to make sure that the braid pattern that I choose is very flat. Yes, we want to make sure that it's flat, and I am going to do that by the braids that I braided straight to the back. I'm going to take those braids and go underneath the braid that I just braided from ear to ear. So take a look and see how I did that. See how I'm taking that braid and I'm going to pull it with my crochet needle through that braid that I braided from ear to ear. Yes, stylists and ladies, if you want that braid pattern to be nice and flat on the top, no humps and no lumps, this is the perfect way to do that. Just take that braid, put it through that crochet needle, and pull it right through that braid that's going across. And this is going to give you that flat foundation that you need for any crochet style. Yes, I love it. I love doing this method because, again, it makes it nice and flat at the top, and that way I don't have any humps or any bumps, and that makes the style look very, very natural. And that's what we want. We want our styles to look as natural as possible. This is also a great way to make sure that you have parts that are not too long. If you don't want your parts to be really long, you can also use this method by braiding that ear to ear braid closer to the front if you want a shorter part. Okay, fam, so now I am getting started on the crochet. So again, this is a T1B burgundy, and it's 10 inches long, and it is pre-looped. We got this hair from Amazon, and it's 7 packs in each lot. So it is more than enough for an entire head. I am so amazed because this hair is definitely keeping the same pattern that it has in the pack, is the same pattern that it's having as I install. So I am loving this hair. It is not shedding, it is not frizzing, and it is being very easy to install. So if you are looking for some durable hair that holds its curl, and I mean video so that you can see the method that I use when I get to the front, and you can see how this beautiful style is completed. So again, continue to keep watching. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Please hit the save button, give me a thumbs up. Please tap that bell so you do not miss any of my new videos, because yes, I upload new videos every single week. Yes, here is the hair that we are using, just to give you a quick glimpse of what it looks like close up. Again, we got the hair from Amazon, and it came with 7 packs. So again, continue to keep watching and see how this style is completed. And again, don't forget to subscribe. And if you want your hair to grow, get some G&G hair growth butter. And yes, we do have G&G hair growth oil as well. So check out our website. The link is in the description below. Thanks, stay safe and stay blessed, and please continue to watch the video. my gosh, look at this beautiful style. Look how beautiful and natural this looks. This is absolutely gorgeous. The length is so pretty. The color is absolutely gorgeous. Look how that is laying. Look how it is just matching her skin. This is absolutely gorgeous. Again, this is a loose wave. Yes, a loose wave crochets. This is a total of 7 packs, and the color is a ombre burgundy. She loves it. Look at her looking in the mirror. She is super juiced that her hair came out so gorgeous. This is why I love what I do when my clients leave and they are feeling so uplifted. They are feeling confident about themselves. This is so rewarding for me. So again, I love what I do. Hair is what I love to do. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please continue to support my channel by subscribing, give me a thumbs up, and please tap that bell so you do not miss any of my new videos as I upload new videos every single week. Again, I am so in love with this style. This color again is absolutely gorgeous and the style came out perfect. Does your feet look like this? Are you tired of dry, dead, old cracked skin on your feet and on your heels? Well, try our new foot butter cream. Yes, introducing our new foot butter cream that is infused with all natural ingredients. Yes, it will leave your skin looking nice and smooth. Try our foot butter today.